Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Gov cleaning contracts. And I want to remind everyone that if you're looking at winning government contracts, one of the busiest times is the month of September. From September the 1st to September the 30th, more contracts are actually awarded than any other time. Now, I'm not saying any other time isn't a good time. I'm just saying that September 1st to the 30th is one of the best and the busiest times. So, what can you do to make sure that you're ready? Well, of course, I always talk about the three things you need to do. Making sure you've already met the basic requirements, check. Make sure you know how to market to the government business, check. And make sure that you know how to find the government solicitations, check. So let's kind of look at what you can do to do marketing. Well, first, one of the great things is knowing what agencies need our services. Well, I've spoken in depth and in detail that there are definitely lots of services, but let's just go with the Department of Army, or Health and Human Resources, or FEMA, or Veteran Affairs. All of those have set aside a budget, and what's so great is knowing what the budget is. And one of the great things about the government is they have to be 100% transparent. So you can do your due diligence and do your research to find what contracts are doing no bidding, which contracts are available for renewal. That's right, all of that information is available to you. So it helps you to actually win the contracts. If you want to learn more, then guess what you can do? You can click the link. That way you can register for my free masterclass on how to land a big government contract. I'd love to see you there. Bring the energy. It's interactive, almost like a workshop. So I'm going to answer all your questions. We do a Q&A at the end, and I make sure I keep you on there for less than an hour. So if that sounds like a good fit, then I'd love to see you there. Click the link to register, and until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.